patient and soon it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win, no, I'm not.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your time zone. My name is Kingsley. I'm your host on PPP Dirhams. It's good to be back, guys. It's really good to be back to look at charts again once more. Thank God for the gift of life and everything. So, how is everyone doing? How have you guys been? I hope you've been profitable all this while, at least making use of everything we've learned together, right? Because I believe we learned everything together. I didn't learn anything on my own. With the inspiration from you guys, I was able to improve a lot. So how have you guys been, and have you guys been profitable? Let me know. Okay. So the focus today is actually on US100, which is NAS100. So what am I expecting to play out here? Pretty very simple, guys. It is very simple. The details of today's plan is on the screen. Okay. So if we can get price to break above 130.63, at least a break above and closure above, or a break above and closure below, if we can secure a closure below, then we can somewhere below, or even outside, anywhere outside or within, at least as long as it closes above the previous high, this candle's high. Okay, then we are just going to wait for candle open. Once candle opens and goes backwards a little bit, then upon the flip, we're going to get in to join the flip for the price to continue going up to 131.65. This is one thing that we should take note of. This is enough for today. Okay, once we are able to catch this move to the upside, I think that is more than enough for today. We call it a day. Okay, then on the other hand, if you can secure a closure, I'm not this point in time, I'm not waiting for a closure below 131.40 because I see some serious signs of a bearish move around here, right? So whatever it be, I'm just waiting for price to cross below 130.29. If I'm able to secure price closure below 130.29, then not closure anyway, just price crossing this area, then I'm gonna just move in and for price to continue going down. Okay, then we close our first partials at 48 pips and second partial full position at about I think 132 pips or thereabout. Let's see, 48 pips and 139, that's 140 pips, right? So this is the plan for today, but then you understand the fact that this is going to be a plan, but in reality, based on what price is doing, we may decide to close out early, right? So let's not sleep on this. We don't need to sleep on this. Okay, so for Euro USD, I know a lot of you guys are not really interested in this pair, but then I'm just going to talk about it anyway because it has a lot of potentials. And it's one of the pairs that I love trading these days a lot because it doesn't have any, I don't have to wait for any time to come. I just need to open my chart and look for entries. If I'm able to secure any entry, I just trade and get the hell out, and my target is usually 10 pips. Of course, 10 pips gives me somewhere around $1,000. $1,000 is enough for a guy like me on a good day. Like if I'm able to secure $1,000 every day, at the end of the month we were talking about $31,000, or let's say somewhere around $30,000, right? So that's enough for one day, right? So I wonder if you make this kind of profits every day, I wonder what else you'll be looking for in forex. You don't need to make millions, just make your thousands and use it to invest in real life business that's going to give you something, and then keep making that and keep running your business. You keep up, right? So for Euro USD, the plan is pretty much very simple as well. Let's look at daily. Daily is pretty much bearish. Weekly is pretty much bearish as well. 4 hours is very bearish. Why do I know that? I know that because these 4 hours right here actually crossed and closed, smashed this level. That's 00235, smashed that level and closed below it, right? So I actually took this trade, by the way. I took a lot of, I closed that already, like 3 trades. I closed that 3 trades here. Okay, so what happened here? We took advantage of this setup. I took advantage of this setup, and I closed 3 positions already. I'm just waiting for some confirmation that is going to tell me that price is actually going to keep going down. Then I will swing in. I will just jump in and take more profits. That's what I'm waiting for here on Euro USD. That's pretty much what we are targeting for today. Let's see how how everything plays out. Okay, I will appreciate if I receive some questions, or at least some couple of welcome back Kingsley, hey, how's your health, or something. I expected to get a lot of messages here, but nobody's dropping messages. Are you guys pretty much angry with me because I took sick leave? If you guys are actually angry with me, let me know so that I will do some giveaway. Let me know, guys. Just drop your messages. Let's see how this. Let's kick off on a good, whatever is called. Okay. Hey, Mervin Klima, my friend, how are you? You've been quiet on the group. I've not seen nothing from you for a long time. I hope you've been profitable all this while. Thank you very much for that. Thank you so much. Cosmos Dauda, thank you very much for that kind gesture. I really appreciate. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate it so much. Keep it coming, guys. Come up with some questions, please, so we can keep ourselves busy, okay? Hey Kiki, greetings to you as well. Thanks. I missed you too. I missed each and every one of you as well. It's good to see that I didn't lose a lot of my friends. A lot of them are still here with me. Just that I don't know Cosmos Daudu. Cosmos Daudu, perhaps joining us for the first time. It's good to have you on the platform. Thank you. Hey, big shout out to KJ. Hi, KJ, how are you? How have you been? I hope you are cool. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I appreciate your prayers. Last week was very profitable for me, man. The setups were solid, and I'm hoping to continue this week. Sorry for being quiet on the group. I had so much work while trying to balance with trading. That's nice. That's nice. Mervin, Kilma, I quite appreciate God for you for giving you that wisdom to at least make this kind of profit last week. Good for you, my dear. Good for you. Keep it up. Whatever thing you did last week, make sure you have noted it down. Whatever mistakes you made, make sure you've noted it down. Make sure moving forward, this is going to be your testimony, I hope. Okay. And one of my good friends on the group is asking from the group, Neo is asking, what's your take on supply and demand, Mr. Kingsley? And can he work with force and failure strategies? Well. If you understand the concept, I mean, the complete concept of demand and supply, my friend, you're going to make a hell of money in forex, right? Because I did some quick research, not very in-depth research, and it shows that a particular thing happens at supply and demand zones, right? There is something that normally happen at supply and demand zones, and that stuff is what I'm actually basing my final strategy on. Okay, so I'm gonna say yes, it works like magic. It works like magic with my strategies, because for instance, let's look at just one supply and demand area, and you're gonna see some let's see, let me see if I can call this supply area. See, yes, I can call this supply area. Okay, so let's see how it's actually materialized. To see, nothing basically happened here. Let's see, let's take further look to see. Okay, nice. So now look at what actually happened here, right? So price broke out all the way here, and then it's, you could say that the break of this level right here is actually the break of some sort of break of structure, right? So we expect after this break of structure for price to come down and retest that level, right? You can see I used to trade. If you follow me initially before now, you're going to notice I used to trade this before, by the way, break of structure, BOS. Or you can go ahead and look at my post on my analysis on Tradingview as early as 2021. You're going to see I'm a king at this as well. I didn't call it supply demand stuff, or those days I call it BOS strategy, right? I left it because I lost quite a couple of money, a couple of thousands there during December time, so I have to dump it and look for something that works, like without me having to think about a lot of things. So now this is a breakout and this is a retest, right? So after this breakout, you can see this candle formed and another one formed, right? So the second candle that formed actually gave us some sort of wick. It gave us a little bit of wick here. Let's assume this entire setup here, 1 2 3, is some sort of force, bullish force forming, right? And then as a confirmation, it left another wick for us, a very fantastic wick for us, telling us that price may yet continue to go up, right? If you had gotten into a position at this level, at this point, right, another place to scale in, to add in more position would have been somewhere here. And seeing this third candle as well is another options where, opportunity where you can add scaling to add more positions, right? So you can see as a result of this supply, demand area, we're able to get this opportunity. Okay, 1 2 and 3, which is weak fill. But in general, if I had traded this, I would have treated this as a bullish force, and I would have gone in, opened the position at this level, right? So this is all it all works together, right? So I think your question, Neo, I don't know who Neo is. Your question is actually answered, I believe. Yes, my strategy works with demand and supply, or supply or demand, depending on what you put first. Like I told you guys, I expect price to really go down, because I actually, when I saw this candle and this guy opened and popped up, I got in here. I'm already in a sell position here. Okay, but then I wouldn't advise you to take that position because it's a high risk trade, and I wouldn't advise anyone to do that. So the best place to get into for price to continue going down is actually somewhere around the let me give out the price, somewhere around 130.28. That's actually the best level to jump in. Just wait, please. Do not open any position because I got in. Okay. I'm just waiting for, Euro USD is a darling. I call it a darling because the profit is quite very easy, right? It's a darling because, if I open my eyes and close, I've hit my 10 pips target and I'm done with it, right? So it's a darling. I'm just eager to see how price is going to react around there. Then I'm going to just open a position to bag my 10 pips. For Euro USD, actually, from sell biased, my bias is bearish completely, unless price breaks above 278. Okay, if price breaks above 278, that's when I'm gonna actually start considering buys. Otherwise, it's gonna be a sell for Euro USD. And please, moving forward in my streaming, if I don't get like a complete confirmation, I aren't opening any trade, just FYI. So if you're coming with the hope of getting premature trades every day that may turn into a profit, let's keep that out of our dictionary, please. We need to stay away from premature trades that are not confirmed. Let's see. This is actually a very nice opportunity for us to open a position, right? This having seen this week here, so it's actually some fantastic opportunity for us to open a position, but then I just have to wait until this low is broken. Why am I not taking a position from here? I'm not taking a position from 120, 130 for a sec, because there is a huge possibility for price to break that level, dance around this week here, and continue moving up, right? So it makes sense if I actually wait, like I said before, for the break of this low or this low, right? Let's just see, guys. Let's just see. This low is actually 13030, and this low is actually 13035. So it makes sense if we actually wait for the second one. I mean, just to make sure that we are on the right track. Hello, Simeon Conley, how are you? It's good to see your message, Simeon Conley. Welcome back. It's okay, Neo. It's okay. It's understandable. But then it would have made a lot of sense if you take out some minutes to create a YouTube, account so that you can be able to comment where everyone can see you, right? So, but then it's okay. Anywhere you choose to comment, as long as I'm active there at that point in time, I'm gonna respond to you. But then I think you should open a YouTube account so that your message comes in, everyone can see it at the same time. Oh yes, man, currently, yes, I'm glad I'm better as well because it was a terrible situation for me. I had to cancel that day streaming. If you remember, I was supposed to stream on a particular day, but a few minutes to the streaming, I have to cancel because I was having a very degraded health. Then I actually ignored the health signs. I was hoping that it was going to stop, but then towards midnight, it escalated to the level whereby we have to, my family have to move me to hospital with ambulance. It was critical, but then glory be to God, I got out of that. It was just minor stuff that I should have treated, but I didn't take care of that, so it resulted to something else. But then I'm good now. It seems NAS is actually trying to make its way up. Let's hope it does what it wants to do, so I can take advantage of it as well. Do not forget the plan is to have this guy at least break through all these candles. It needs to, before I can risk anything, before I can make anyone risk $1 on any trade today. I want to see a break of this level, right? Just a break, and then I need to see a price at least close above the previous 1 hour. I don't need price to close above here. I just want price to close at least above the previous 1 hour. Then we can take advantage of whatever wick it has left behind for price to continue moving up to 131.60 area. Please show NAS is your sell once. Oh, we close below. Please show. Oh god, I didn't get that. I didn't get that. If you could please make it make the statement a bit better, because I find it difficult to understand actually what you're trying to say. Sorry. Okay, okay, that is noted, Simeon. not sure what price is doing. Not sure what price is thinking. Not sure what price is thinking. I'm not sure what it's doing either. But let's see. Nothing. The market is just so dull compared to morning. In the morning, the market was so aggressive. There's some sort of aggressiveness you're gonna see in the market. You call it aggressively aggressive. Let's see. We have just approximately 6 minutes. For volume to come in. So from what we are seeing, what do you think, guys? Can I get some comments here? What do you think is actually going to be the direction when the volume comes in? What do you think is going to be the direction? I think price may yet see another fall. I think. I'm not sure, but then let's see what's gonna happen. Euro USD seems to have flipped. So what do you think is going to happen to Euro USD, guys? What do you think is going to happen to Euro USD? Okay, so from 30 minutes we seem to be having bullish force, and this is most likely going to be activated from 0094 with stop loss somewhere around 12 pips, which is actually quite expensive. Euro USD, since we are targeting 10 pips, it shouldn't be ever more than 5 to 6 pips, right? Stop loss. But then if we're able to break through here, the price is just gonna go haywire. It's just gonna go insane. I suspect price may, come up to 461. But let's see. We're not sure yet, so let's not take any steps until 30 minutes closes. And for NAS is showing us a very good progress, very nice signs. So the question is it gonna continue? It just needs to break above certain level, then we can have some good confidence for price to keep going up. Okay, we have a couple of seconds before the close of 30 minutes, thereby paving way for volume time in our session, which is basically NYSC session. So the question now is, what is going to be the case? What are we going to expect? What do we expect to happen from here on out? What is going to happen? Now we are in. So what is happening? Haha. This is funny. Okay, guys, so I would set a trade above here. I see very nice confirmation here. If this volume, with this volume we see, if price breaks above 130.76, it means it's gonna just push up. It's gonna just push up. So I would say a buy stop above here. So let's see. This is basically the case. And then if it pushes below, guys, do not forget, this is the only confirmation we have now, and they are strong enough confirmations. Okay, we don't need to get in early. We don't need to attempt to catch this entire range, which is 50 pips. We just need to let the 50 pips go and do the due diligence. Okay, so if it pushes above, then we may have our entry at 137.79 for price to continue pushing up. The question is it going to break above? Nice, we're getting there. I hope you have sized your positions. You have sized your positions, I believe. Why is this different from my platform, guys? Are you seeing the same thing on your platform? What I'm seeing on my platform is different. Okay, it has updated. This is stupid. This is very stupid, I would say. So wait for the break of that level that we've given so that we can be sure that we are on the right track. Okay, wait for the break of 130.79, then you can jump in and enjoy your profits. I hope I'm audible. Let me see. These days I'm not. Okay, I'm audible. Let's see. What is price doing? See what I'm saying, guys? So if we had gotten in at this level at 130.70 without waiting for this level, this week here to be cleared out, I think we may be facing some anomalies right now. Perhaps our minds may be telling us that price may pull back, or we're already losing, stuff like that, right? So it makes sense to allow everything to be confirmed, which is the break of above break of 130.78, the break of that week we see here, this is the obstacle we have here, right? So we have to wait for this obstacle to be cleared. Once the obstacle is cleared, we are good to go. Otherwise, if the lower obstacle is cleared first, then we are good to go to the downside. But I just wish from the setup I've seen, I just wish it's going to break above. If it breaks above, I will be more comfortable. I'm going to take trade with my full risk, but then if it breaks below, I'm going to take with about quarter risk or half risk perhaps. What is it gonna be? If this breaks below, I'm gonna be pretty much very upset with it, because I've closed my position. The position I held from here, I closed it. So if it breaks below, I'm gonna be pretty much upset. You know what I mean? Euro USD, I think we're done for the day. Euro USD, it doesn't have any move anymore. It doesn't have no move. Let's see what it has done today. It has moved 387 pips. I mean, sorry, 38 pips today to the downside. The that which is pretty much more than enough for one day, considering Euro USD as an asset. Okay, so I better open my platform here. Nice, guys. So I mean, selling. Oh, I got in very late. God damn it, man. I hate this, man. I got in very late, but then I mean, if you have not gotten in, this is an opportunity for you to get in, right? So get in and rock the profits or the loss that's gonna come with it. So now that we're in, my advice, remove this buy stop above here. I don't know whatever thing I said here. Maybe I said set stop here. I don't know whatever thing I said. So if I said nonsense here, please forgive me. Okay, having said that, let's focus on what we're doing. Well, if I had seen these 5 minutes, I would have taken a better, well-informed decision if I had seen these 5 minutes earlier. But it's okay. Yes. Wow. Oh, we are looking for price now, guys. Why is price? Okay, so let's put our $49. Nope, I'm not gonna risk 49 for any reason, guys. Never. If it's not between 20 to 27, I mean to 30, I better look for somewhere else where I can hang in. But then that is the only level I can hope for. That even in 5 minutes, 49 pips is the only place, guys. It's literally the only place we can hope for. Stop loss 47 pips is too much, really. It's too much. Okay, Euro USD as well is firing, but then I got in already on NAS. I don't double date. So but let's see. Euro USD looks very promising, and it seems it's forming bearish force. By the end of today, I'm expecting Euro USD to have given us something. Yes, that's actually what I was expecting. I expect Euro USD to fall to 99376. This is my expectation today, and it's most likely gonna happen. It's most likely gonna happen because looking at daily is pretty much just falling. It's a free fall. The euro is losing value, so you can pretty much see the interpretation here. Four hours looks very nice. So the break of the previous 4 hours in euro is going to cause price to just, move without compassion. you understand what I mean. Let me set alarm for this break. If it happens, then I could actually get in for some profits. Pretty much gonna happen. Okay, back to our guy. What's happening here? NAS has moved 26 pips and is trying to scale us, right? So guys, even if price turns back and starts going up now, at least I'm sort of satisfied because I allowed the final confirmation to happen before we get in, right? Just imagine just we, our usual trading methods, right? Imagine that we got in here because the new 30 minutes broke above the previous 30 minutes, right? Imagine that we got in here, just think about what is going to be the case now. We could have closed one position in loss, right? Perhaps in 35 pips loss, and then maybe open the second one, which is not the best way. And sorry, I'm not looking at my chat. Let's see, I've got a lot of messages here. Okay, are we all on sale, guys? What's your NAS SL? Oh, guys, apologies. It's been long. I did this. It's been like a week, so I forgot our methods already. So these are the levels, target levels, that we should have. So there it is. Let's see. If you go to German index, you're gonna see pretty much better stuff. If you remember in the chat, the image I shared on the group in the morning, I think I added this level as our first target. That is 132.34 as our first target, and then 130.66 as our second target. So you can see we hit our first target already. We're just waiting for second target too. Materialize. And looking at 1 hour, you're gonna pretty much see that we have bearish force actually playing out. So we are not wrong in any way, guys. I think it makes sense if we just hold on to this position and secure our our capital by having our stop loss above here exactly at 130.76. That is the logical thing to do, because if we fail to do this, I'm technically telling you that if price breaks above 130.76 now, as at now, having tested this low, if it breaks above 130.76, it means one thing and one thing only. It means that we're going to see this target today. Euro USD is making some noise. It means we're going to see 132.77 today. So is that what you want, guys? I don't care what you guys think, but I'm going to take this trade. Oh god, it's already late, but I'm going to take it anyway. I'm just going to wait for a nice position, then see if I'm going to get some retracements. I'm going to just jump in. I'm taking Euro USD, guys. I'm taking sales on Euro USDs as well. If you remember what I said when I started streaming, I'm sell bias for these two pairs. My bias today is sales, bearish for all of them. So now I've opened my positions accordingly, and this is actually my target. For those of us who wants to go take on this journey with me, Euro USD journey, Be very careful, guys, please. I want you to use only 16 pips maximum, okay? Euro USD, if it takes a direction, it's going to maintain that direction the way as per my studies so far. No, this is not my target. It cannot be my target, but then I may close that before even my target is hit. So if you're taking on Euro USD, here are your configurations, okay? Here are the details. So NAS is pretty much dancing around. Big question, is price trying to go back? We don't know. I believe price is going to drop. Don't worry, guys. Let's see. But if it turns, if it breaks, like I said earlier, if it breaks above 137.76, guys, he's a goner. He's gone. He's a goner. Damn. $24 pips. We couldn't have closed. There's no how we would have known anything. So there's no blames on this trade, guys. No single blames at all. I wouldn't say that NAS is changing. I wouldn't say that. It's not changing anything. I think he's just trying to, root out people that are not grounded in whatever thing they're doing. That's what I think he's doing. Okay, but then we don't control price, guys. That's one thing you should always bear in mind. What we do is to take advantage of price. When price is moving, we take advantage of it. We take good advantage of it and then jump out, right? So if it goes up, as long as you have your stop loss at this level, right, so you are good. That's just 47 pips, right? So but then it's not a good comeback for us. It's not a good comeback for us, I will say. It's really not a good comeback for us. But then it makes sense to lose 47 pips than to hold drawdown of about, I think, 90 pips, right? 80 to 90 pips. Oh my god, that's about drawdown of 130 something pips. It's even more because we got in around here, right? So let's see, we got in around here, so you see it's not advisable, right? So my question now is, why the hell did I close my sales before? I mean, the sales I was holding from New York session open. Why the hell did I close it? If I was holding that sales, I think I got in somewhere here, right? So man, this is 50 pips. I'd have closed that completely at 50 pips, right? It's okay. I made profit from Euro USD after all, so. What I think is gonna happen, I mean, I don't know when it's gonna happen, is if perhaps these 4 hours may come all the way to maybe 99.798 or somewhere around here, then the next 4 hours is just gonna blow up all the way up to 465 and then revert again. It's gonna flip for price to continue going down. Euro USD is still gonna fall. Everything I see is pointing towards sales for Euro USD. Starting from weekly to daily to 4 hours, it has broken 4 hours low, like it has cleared it, right? Previous 4 hours, I'm just waiting for it to break the 4 hours before the previous 4 hours. If it breaks its low again, man, it's gonna just flatten out. So you can pretty much see that our stop loss is still intact and price is still jumping up and down for us. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun today, guys. Really gonna be fun. Okay, back to our entry. Now at this point, guys, now I'm going to advise, if you are in this position and you feel you have this, you know, what is it called? Oh, all the English in my mind is just gone. It's just a corner. And you have this urge that we are in a long thing, like in a long thing, something that is very long, you know, that you cannot wait, or you feel perhaps that you are in a wrong trade, that this position is not going to go in our direction. Now is the time to quit. You are not losing now, so it makes sense if you quit now. Okay, guys, it makes sense if you quit now and let us hold our risk. Okay, so now the price is giving you a second chance to leave, to close the positions. So if you don't close the positions, don't blame anyone. Okay, having said that, I'll relax now. NAS looks like I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna mute myself for some time and take some coffee. Not coffee though. I mean coffee, but not coffee, because I have a lot of things I'm gonna do today. So I'm getting coffee, but not coffee. We're holding two positions right now, so let me quickly begin to fill up. Oh, what did I tell you guys? I told you guys that Euro USD is a darling. I told you guys, right? Euro USD is a darling. If I say it's a darling, guys, it's a darling, right? It has broken below. It has see, almost. Let's see. It has broken below the 4 hours before the previous 4 hours. So, like I told you guys, it's just going to draw all the way to this level. Maybe not once, but it's just going to be dancing around to this level, and then it's going to give us a very long, the next 4 hours, it's going to be very long. It's going to touch 458 and then revert again until it touches 99387. Guys, now if you are in Euro USD trade, I think it makes sense if you close your partials now, right? It's already 14 pips, guys. What the hell are you waiting for, guys? What else would you be waiting for? What else are you praying for, right? So what makes sense for us to do right now is to remove our risk. Okay? Remove the risk and do what? And secure some profits. Okay? So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Give me a moment. Let me just do that. Let's see. So I just secured 50%. Okay? Secured 50%, and I moved my stop loss to break even. I know this break even is going to be hit anyway. It's going to be hit. So if it gets hit, then I'm going to open another position. Euro USD gives us limitless opportunities, like opportunities to trade. So the opportunities I have seen in Euro USD that cannot be replicated. And then for NAS, we can clearly see that it has given us 30 pips. It has given us up to 39 pips. Do not forget my daily target is 30 pips on NAS. So move your stop loss to break even and close partials. Exactly what I'm going to do right now. Okay. Close 50% already on NAS. Today is a very nice comeback day for us, guys. Comeback day for each and every one of us. Congrats to everyone that took those two trades. Okay, congrats. If you took the trade, please, can I get a W? W meaning win. Okay, I just want to know how many people that took it. 50% and 50% is still running conveniently. So I wonder what else you are hoping for, guys. What else are you hoping for, right? Guys, if anyone stops you on the way and asks you, hello, stop trading Euro USD, please give the person a punch for me. Tell the person this punch is from Kingsley to you. Okay? Yeah. Woo! Congrats. Who took Simeon? Did you take Euro USD and the NAS as well? like I told you guys, if Euro USD chooses a direction, it doesn't turn. If it just decides to take a direction, it doesn't turn. This is exactly what's happening. Please, you can go ahead and close 100% positions now, because I mean it's worth it, right? It's worth it. 17 pips. We're targeting 10 pips and we got 17 pips. What the hell are you waiting for, guys? Let's quickly fill our journals so that we can call it a day. After filling journals, if we see opportunity, we can trade some more. If we don't see, then we call it a day. Okay, let's fill up our journals, because this is actually somehow very compulsory for me again. I mean, these days it helps me track whatever nonsense I'm doing online to see if it's working or not, right? Sorry, I'm trying to get the time, guys. It takes time. Yes, nice. This is the place. So this is gonna be 0.52, right? Yes, 52.30. Okay, this is NAS. Let's fetch that time for Euro USD as well. Let's see what price is moving down to hit our break even. Come on, don't be silly, NAS. NAS, guys, you know what I'm gonna do with NAS? NAS is still gonna fall, so I'm just gonna take the risk of moving the stop loss back. I don't care, man. NAS is gonna fall, so let me now move back to my entry. Okay, so I'm gonna move my stop loss back. I've closed only 50%. I believe price is still gonna drop, but if it hits my take profit, then it's gonna be a break even, right? So I'm not losing anything. I'm getting even more money. I'm risking more money on Euro USD. After all, I'm risking more, so Euro USD is giving me more than NAS is giving me. Like, technically, Euro USD gives me more than NAS gives me every day. So technically. Oh, Lisa, did you really join us today, Lisa? Welcome. It's good to see you, Lisa. Lisa Sigedin, it's good to see you. I'm happy. All right. Okay. Let me fetch the time for Euro USD. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Lisa. Of course, I saw that already. Of course, you don't need to retract it. You don't need to retract that message. I've seen it already. Yes, thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay. Euro USD is 1 hour, 1 minute. Come on. 1 hour, 1 minute, and 31 seconds, right? Am I right? Yeah. Technically, perhaps I should make this 0 so that makes sense for me. Okay, yes, both of them are short. Right? So now the question is, which strategy did we use here? Okay, we got in here using 30 minutes, which is technically we should have been with bearish force. So this is gonna be bearish force. Why Euro USD? Euro USD is gonna be what? Weak fill, but we didn't particularly take advantage of this weak fail, but then it's going to be weak fail. Let's look at 4 hours. Yeah, I could call this bearish force in 4 hours, right? But we didn't get in 4 hours. We got in 1 hour. Yeah, we got in actually in 4 hours. I remember. So this is weak fail. No, sorry, forces. We used forces, bearish force for the both. That's fantastic. NAS we got in using 1 hour, I suppose. No, 30 minutes. I remember 30 minutes or 30 minutes, but the bearish force happened in 1 hour, right? NAS better continue going down, man. I don't know what NAS is doing, guys. If you know NAS, please could you please tell NAS to move down? I don't know, man. What the hell is happening to that young man? Move down. Stop wasting our time, man. We got some things to do, don't you think? Think we're gonna sleep all the way here? Okay, so 1 hour on NAS. David Estare, hello. Is there weak fill or bearish force on NAS now? Let me finish. I'm going to answer that. So David Estal, it's good to have you around. Thanks for joining us for the first time. I'm seeing you for the first time, so thank you for joining us there. NAS full risk and this full risk. We've closed NAS. We've closed at I think 30 at what, that 30 what did we close NAS? Close NAS at somewhere around, let's see. So we closed, I think 32 pips, 32 pips, and we closed EURUSD at what? Oh my god, guys, can you see EURUSD? I feel like crying, guys. Close EURUSD. Let me look at my chart, guys. I don't want to make mistakes here because all these things I account for them at due time. So guys, EURUSD closed without a wick, so I don't want to risk it. I'm closing out EURUSD completely. I'm sorry. EURUSD, I closed out completely. Okay, I closed out here. Okay, so 26 pips, and NAS is moving back to where we left off. So good luck to it. So guys, this is called trading. Okay, I love this. I swear, mashallah, I love this. NAS, let me close 40% more and leave the rest to run. Okay, I'm gonna close 40% more. Okay, nice. I'm now running with 10%, just 10%, guys. Woo. Now having 10% running here. So if anything happens, guys, we made our profits already. So can I get a thank you here, guys? That's a comeback. That's a fantastic comeback for us all. Excuse me. Hello, sir. Okay, guys, sorry. So I don't just want to risk it with EURUSD. I just closed out. So 26 pips for EURUSD. Initially it was about 13 pips, and then finally we closed at 26 pips. Fantastic. Is fantastic wins. And for NAS, I closed additional. Oh, NAS is intriguing me. Come on, NAS is making me feel like floating, if you understand what I mean. Yeah, guys. Yes. Okay, I closed at somewhere around 30 as well, so it just 30. It's okay. Nothing changed yet. So that is it. Let's see. So guys, you see Euro USD, it makes sense if you see something going wrong with a trade, take actions. Okay, so I'm out of Euro USD. Our focus is now NAS. If I were you, perhaps profit secured. I have 2 positions running. Let's see how far it drops. Yes, my dear, make sure the 2 positions, make sure you actually have your you've actually broken even, because it makes sense. That's the best form of defense, right? Break even is the best form of defense. For me, I think I'm good. I'm good for the day. Let me know your thoughts. Do not forget, right here is my Telegram channel. Okay, go ahead and join me there. This is me, PPP Drahams. For those of us that are new, please go ahead and join us here. Okay, we drop updates every morning. That is, if I'm available. If I'm not available, what I simply do is to drop updates towards the streaming time and then explain the update during my streaming time. Okay, I wish to see you guys on my Telegram channel. It gives me joy to see the group growing, and of course the team growing as well. I wish everybody all the best. Please, whatever profits you've made today, do well to please secure your profits. It makes sense if you secure it. Profit in pocket, trade for the next day. Okay, always tell yourself that profit in pocket, trade for next day. Okay, let's see how it goes, guys. But then I wish you guys all the best. Thanks for joining today. Take care of yourself, everyone. I'm gonna head off now. I just have 10% of my NAS running, so I don't have, technically I don't have any position running, and I'm still maintaining 47 pips stop loss. Perhaps price may go down. If it hits my stop loss, it means 10% of the trade hits stop loss. It technically means nothing, absolutely nothing. Okay, so everyone, take care. I'm gonna head off now. Bye bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.